tables, chairs, and voting booths, and your electronic equipment. If you can, go into your polling place the night before and set up as much as possible. Remember, you cannot set up the electronic equipment before election morning. Unpack the necessary precinct supplies from the blue rolling supply bag. Lay out the precinct board table as follows: the master roster, tally index, yellow correction memorandum, and other precinct board member tools should be located where they can be easily accessed by poll workers, but not by voters. Voter information pamphlets, state guides, the list of certified write-in candidates, if any, how to vote placards, poll worker recruitment flyers, two-sided business cards, and voter registration cards should be made easily accessible to your voters. The provisional roster, provisional envelopes, and miscellaneous supplies can be placed on the back table. Verify that there is no political signage or propaganda within 100 feet of the polling place entrance. If any is found, locate the facility contact or owner and request it be removed. If neither can be located, remove them yourself. Also, using the string and tacks provided, post the inside and outside indexes near the entrance to the polls, one inside and one outside. If it's raining or snowing, you may hang both indexes inside the polling place near the entrance. Display the American flag outside the polling place entrance where it can be easily seen by approaching voters. Hang as pictured. Be sure to use your manuals and instructions to set up the electronic voting equipment and the voting booths. These materials can be found in your blue polling place supply bag.